everyone, Katie-Louise here. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day. And yes, I know, I have Webby Vanderquack's hair. As I've been doing because I work at a kids theater and they're all like, you have Webby's hair! I go, they're nephews! I have to do this fairly quickly. It is storming something awful outside. I have my Owlcrate. I have a thing I don't really know what it is from Parkbound Buttons. And I have an announcement. The announcement is, this is probably my last Owlcrate unboxing. Maybe forever. Maybe just for now. I don't know yet. I'm going to try another subscription box, a Disney one. But yeah, Owlcrate sends such high quality, beautiful items. I'm just a bit sick of the Harry Potter stuff. And the last couple of books, last couple of months, the books have been just in my TBR pile. I haven't been able to read them. So we're going to try something new. So what's from Parkbound Buttons? What's in here? There's an extra baggie. Oh, and I'm ready to be park-bound, but it looks like a sticker, but it's just a thing, and it's, excuse me, oh, Casey and the Bear, I follow them! So that's their info. My mom ordered this for me. I'm not exactly sure what the pin is. It just fell off my lap. So it came in a baggie, and it is, oh, I gotta go, like, cry to my mom. It is a Great Movie Ride button. If you don't know, the Great Movie Ride closed a week ago tomorrow? Yeah, we could go tomorrow on the 13th at Disney Hollywood Studios, and the button says, I'll see you at the movie. The stuff dreams are made of, which is, I'm gonna cry. It's what they say at the end. And this is that beautiful button. It's shining. I apologize, but it is just, it's perfect. It's beautiful, and I can already tell it's really high quality. I think we'll definitely be ordering more buttons from Parkbound. So thank you to Parkbound Buttons for making such a beautiful button and a beautiful memorial to one of my favorite rides at Disney that I know almost the whole script of. Okay. Last Owlcrate unboxing. It's kind of bittersweet, but what I have coming, I think you guys will love it and I'll love it. I think I love it even more than my Owlcrate. So, open up the Owlcrate, see what we can find inside. Oh my god, it's book stuff, cool. And there's a big flash of lightning. Okay. So this month's theme is Something Wicked This Way Comes, which to me feels like a wrong theme because it's August, not October. So as I dig through, the first thing I get is a fountain pen. Ooh, that's fancy. Thank you for putting a fountain pen in my box. It's a splendid pen, and it says, want to write the next great horror novel? When inspiration strikes, use your new fountain pen from Uli, we'll go with. These gorgeous pens write so smoothly and come with extra ink cartridges, so you can write long into the night. You guys can hear that. The thunder is really loud. Next. Edgar Allan Poe socks! I'm going to have to wear these to the theater tomorrow. It says, once upon a midnight dreary, while I pondered weak and weary, these Edgar Allan Poe socks from out of print will keep you warm when your experience chills you from your very next, you experience chills from your next scary read. I love these! I have to wear them around our musical director. She'll love them too. Hey, Jackie, if you end up watching this. Next is, I think this is coffee. This is coffee! Guys, I drink tea, but, you know, maybe my mom will want to try this. It says, time to brush up on your unforgivable curses. Oh, I can't give this to Olivia. Sorry, Olivia. Raise a mug to He Who Must Not Be Named with this yummy, dark arts-inspired medium roast coffee made exclusively by Happenstance Coffee. Nagini approved. It's the dark arts roast. Sorry, Olivia, I can't give this to you. I'm not condoning young people drink coffee. This is the Owlcrate button of the month. The owl flying by the moon. This is a bookmark. What other bookmark is I? No, this is Six of Crows. Oh. When thinking of wicked yet lovable characters, the gang from Ketterdam are at the top of our list. Treehouse Books has designed an exclusive double-sided bookmark inspired by our favorite outcasts from Six of Crows. It says, no mourners, no funerals among them. It passed for good luck. And the other side says, when everyone knows you're a monster, you needn't waste time doing every monstrous thing. Very cool. I have no idea what this is from. Okay, it's a sticker. And it says, we are... You blow it and it goes back at me. We are made light, the dark axe. It's a sticker. And it says, it's no secret how much we adore Victoria Schwab here at Owlcrate. Her unique stories linger with you long after you turn the last page. To celebrate the conclusion of the Monsters of Verity duology, Evie Bookish has designed an exclusive This Savage Song sticker just for you. Oh, they gave that book in an Owlcrate. See, I haven't read it, but also Verity is the name of my voice teacher's middle child. So that's actually kind of funny. What is this? I see a little baggie. It says, pin. Did that come with the book? Yeah, that comes with the book. Okay. Next is, oh, it's Sleepy Hollow. I read this in high school. It is a beautiful copy of Sleepy Hollow by Washington Irving. I live more than a couple hours from Sleepy Hollow, and next year, this fall, I intend with my mother to take a trip up there to see what they do in the month of October. So I'll have to take this and take tons of pictures with it. It says, then as he wended his way by swamp and stream and awful woodland to the farmhouse where he happened to be quartered, every sound of nature at that witching hour fluttered his excited imagination. Good quote. It says, author Washington Irving created one of the most iconic characters of all time, the infamous Headless Horseman, when he wrote Sleepy Hollow. But did you know he wrote other spooky stories as well? We hope you enjoy this diving into this exclusive edition of Sleepy Hollow and Other Stories, published by our friends at Rock Paper Books. This is gorgeous. I'm definitely going to look into what other books Rock Paper Books have put out, because this is absolutely gorgeous in the back. This is beautiful. Rock Paper Books, this is, I love when books are pretty. So I think the last thing in this is... And then what next month is that I will not be getting. I have a notification on my computer that's dragging my eye. Okay. So it is, would you ever be tempted to sell your soul? Dee gives up her heart and agrees to work for a demon in exchange for escaping a dangerous home life. But things quickly go awry. Dee soon realizes she's dealing with much more than she bargained for. Alongside a group of other heartless teens, Dee embarks on the fight of her life. Will they survive this chaotic and otherworldly threat? Without a heart, will Dee ever be able to find love again? The Heart We Sold is a powerful genre-blending story about finding your inner strength, the power of friendship, and how important love is when the world goes dark. We also hope you enjoy the signed bookplate, handwritten letter from Emily Lord. Yeah, they spelled it wrong on here. They Llyod, and it's Llo. They spelled it wrong. As well as a super cool lapel pin, which will make sense when you read the story. It says, I choose this. There you go. Here's the book. Oh, the storm's getting bad. I gotta get off the computer. So we're gonna wrap this up. And I'll tell you what next month is, because if you get Owlcrate, this is gonna be your next box. This is the exclusive cover. Really pretty. Really pretty. This is going to be an appropriate read for me. There's the signed book plate. I love how she just signed Emily. That makes me feel like we're friends a little bit. I love that. The book says, Dear Owlcrater. Again, I like that term. I love stories about tricksters, stories about ill-fated deals, of straw spun to gold, of a wish made on a monkey's paw, of magic and monsters. Such stories ask questions that writers spend a lot of time thinking about. What do people want, and how far will they go to get it? When I was a teenager, I wanted books. More specifically, I wanted stories that would reassure me everything would be okay. I wanted a book in which I could see my own fears and desires reflected in the pages. A story where the monsters could be defeated. Love wasn't an impossibility, and a girl could save herself. So I wrote that book. I even included a trickster and a few ill-fated deals. This book is, if you'll forgive the phrase, very close to my heart. I hope you enjoy it. All the best, Emily. It says I choose this in the back. To be honest, I have a lot of luck with authors named Emily. I have a lot of, okay, not a lot, but Emily Albright is one of my favorite authors and people. She is so kind. And Emily, I'm still trying to find a copy of Everyday Magic in my small town in Pennsylvania. No one's carrying it, which makes me mad. And next month, if you are getting Owlcrate, which I will not be, I hope you will go to another unboxing video, though, is the theme is mythical creatures. And the sneak peek is you will receive a book sleeve from Bookbow. Looks kind of cool. Okay, well, you will see me very soon again. By the way, this was an exclusive cover. You will see me again very soon on this channel with another unboxing as I put everything back in as I quickly try to get this up and out of here so I can, you know, be downstairs and not online. You will see me on this channel again very soon. The package should be coming Monday. I hope. I'm very excited about the new subscription service we are trying. Also, I want to know what that book sleeve is next month. Just curious. So thank you to Owlcrate for putting together such amazing boxes. I am so bummed that I had to cancel. I might go back though. We'll see. I'll be watching unboxings on their channel and other people's, so maybe I can buy one-off boxes if I feel so inclined. And thank you to Parkbound Buttons. This is beautiful. I think we're definitely going to be ordering a whole bunch of new buttons for our next trip. And just a quick side announcement, I got cast in another show. I'm beyond thrilled. I am playing the role of the all-seeing narrator, Bridget Sullivan, in the rock opera Lizzie, or the rock musical Lizzie, and it's really cool. If you Google Lizzie rock musical, it's like the first result, lizziesmusical.com, you can hear some of the music. I'm playing Bridget, the housemaid, because I can kind of do an Irish accent and I could work on it. So yeah, I'm really excited about that casting. And then after that, I'm doing my 9th production of Godspell, which, I think it's gonna be more fun than I think it's gonna be, because right now I'm not too thrilled about doing Godspell again, but I think the people are gonna make it more fun, because I'm working with my honorary brother again, and he and I we're nuts together. So yeah. That's it for me for today. You're going to see me again very soon on this channel. Don't worry. It's not like I'm going to be gone from unboxings. I'll be back. I'll be back sooner than you think with another one, because I'm trying a new subscription service. So, only hint you get is that it's Disney-based. It's Disney. So, have a good night, because I'm filming this at 9:23 at night. Have a good night, have a good day, whatever time you watch this, have a good one, and I'll see you next time. Have a magical day, everyone. Bye! And thank you, Owlcrate.